we should be enjoying Flower Line in Swords, County Dublin, we find ourselves in the middle of a national emergency. In March of this year, the Arcólia of Chomhaltais Cultúriéireann gave responsibility of caring and keeping our organisation during this pandemic to the Boon Cruiste. This is a heavy responsibility, but our membership have responded in a positive and magnificent way. It is from our grassroots that activity via the internet has been driven, an abundance of traditional Irish music, song and dance. As we enter a form of new normal, we need to recognise the reality of our situation, respond positively and communicate clearly with each other. There is and will be an economic downturn that will impact on us all. Our responses will form part of our roadmap, the road ahead on Road to Rowan. Solutions to the problems ahead will be found because it is in the spirit of our nation to tackle insurmountable odds and win. Our history bears that out. Our membership will be gaining an understanding on the ground at our regional and outreach centres and choc cures that renewal will be fed by our traditions and culture, which are central to our recovery. That is what Chomhaltais is about, and the arts will form a cornerstone of our recovery. So at this difficult time, we wish to send best wishes to all our friends in Leinster, wishing you good health and please keep safe. Slán agus Manacht.